Want to give your home that premium, designer feel without the luxury price tag? These Amazon gadgets and furniture pieces instantly elevate any space with smart design and effortless style. From sleek lighting to multifunctional furniture, every item adds that wow factor your home's been missing. All products are linked in the description below. Luxury meets tech in this stunning bedroom centerpiece. This smart adjustable bed lets you customize your perfect sleeping or lounging position with just a touch. The sleek metal frame keeps things sturdy yet stylish, while the foldable design makes it surprisingly space efficient. Paired with its plush mattress, it feels like sleeping in a high-end Italian villa. Minimalist, modern, and built for total comfort. You'll never want to get up. This isn't your average coffee table. It's a full-on smart hub for your living room. Hidden inside are refrigerated drawers that keep your drinks ice cold and snacks fresh, so you never have to get up during movie night. Built-in Bluetooth speakers fill the room with sound, while RGB lights pulse to your music. You can even wirelessly charge your phone or plug into USB ports. Stylish, modern, and seriously futuristic. Turn your ceiling into a light show and cooling system in one. This smart RGB fan fills your room with color and comfort choose from soft white light for relaxing or vibrant hues that dance during parties. The bladeless design keeps things quiet and safe, perfect for bedrooms or kids' rooms. Control everything from your phone or remote, adjusting brightness, speed, and color with ease. This isn't just a bed, it's an entire relaxation zone. Wrapped in luxurious leather upholstery, this smart bed combines comfort, style, and high-tech features in one sleek setup. Built-in speakers let you enjoy your favorite music without leaving the covers, while hidden storage keeps your space clutter-free. The wide platform design gives it a modern, elegant look. Meet this side table that does way more than hold your coffee. This smart table comes with wireless charging built right in, so your devices stay powered without messy cords. A soft induction light glows gently at night, and you can adjust the brightness with a simple touch. Hidden inside is a refrigerated drawer to keep drinks chilled and snacks ready. Sleek, modern, and made to simplify your lifestyle. Get ready to bring racing dreams to life with this sleek car bed. Designed to look just like a sports car, it turns any bedroom into a mini racetrack. Smooth curves, realistic details, and LED lights make bedtime way more fun. The sturdy frame keeps it safe and comfortable for everyday use. Whether for playtime or sleep, this bed lets you drift off in style literally. Getting ready just got a whole lot smarter. This LED vanity mirror gives you perfect lighting anywhere thanks to its built-in rechargeable battery and foldable design. The smart touch control lets you adjust brightness with a simple tap, while the leatherette stand adds a touch of style. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to carry or store. Cute, practical, and perfect for flawless makeup every time. Meet the recliner that does it all without you lifting a finger. This oversized power recliner responds to your voice, letting you lean back, rock, or swivel effortlessly. Built-in Bluetooth speakers wrap you in 360-degree sound for the ultimate movie or music experience. The plush silicone leather resists scratches, stays cool, and is easy to clean. Big, comfy, and smart, this chair turns any room into your personal relaxation zone. Bring comfort and calm to your outdoor space with this all-weather rocking chair. Its sturdy rattan-style frame and plush gray cushions make it perfect for lazy afternoons on the patio or balcony. The smooth manual rocking motion helps you unwind while enjoying the breeze. Built to handle sun, rain, and everyday use, it stays strong season after season. Turn your book collection into a statement piece with this rotating bookshelf tower. The 360-degree spinning design lets you browse your books from any angle, no reaching or shuffling needed. Crafted from solid wood, it's sturdy, smooth, and beautifully natural. 4 spacious tiers hold everything from novels to decor items. Perfect for corners or small spaces, it adds both function and flair to any room. Who says you can't turn your bed into an office or dining spot? This height-adjustable overbed table glides smoothly into position so you can work, snack, or stream in total comfort. The tilting surface gives you the perfect angle for reading or typing without straining your neck. A built-in cup holder keeps your drink right where it should be spill-free. Cozy productivity just got a major upgrade. Your living room just got smarter. This convertible sofa bed transforms from a comfy couch to a relaxing recliner or a full sleeping spot with just the touch of a button. Built-in storage keeps blankets, remotes, or chargers neatly tucked away. The electric reclining feature adjusts smoothly for your perfect lounging position. It's the ultimate mix of comfort, convenience, and clever design all in one piece of furniture. Small space? Big problem solved. This clever drop-leaf dining table folds, rolls, and transforms to fit your day. Use it as a writing desk, a dining table for 6, or a compact side table for 2. 6 lockable wheels let you move it anywhere and keep it steady when needed. Sturdy, easy to clean, and simple to fold away, it's furniture that actually works around you. Sitting doesn't have to mean slouching. This ergonomic kneeling chair is designed to keep your posture straight and your body energized. The padded seat and knee cushions provide all-day comfort while easing pressure on your spine. A gentle rocking base keeps you moving just enough to stay focused and relaxed. Perfect for work, study, or meditation. It's posture support that feels surprisingly natural. Mornings just got easier. This 2-in-1 coffee maker brews your favorite cup exactly how you like it, whether you're using ground coffee or K-cups. Just pop it in, press start, and you'll have a rich espresso or smooth Americano in minutes. Its compact design fits perfectly in any kitchen or office space. Quick, easy, and mess-free your personal barista right on the counter. Entertainment that moves with you literally. This smart portable TV on wheels combines the power of a tablet with the size of a full HD screen. It runs on Android 13, giving you access to all your favorite streaming apps and smooth touchscreen control. The built-in camera makes video calls crystal clear, and the rechargeable base rolls effortlessly from room to room. Work, watch, or play wherever you are. Tired of juggling cables for all your devices? This 3-in-1 charging station powers your iPhone, watch, and AirPods all at once, fast and wire-free. The MagSafe stand even rotates, so you can watch videos or FaceTime hands-free while charging. It's certified for safe, efficient power every time. Sleek, compact, and travel-ready, your entire Apple setup now has one smart home. Wet shoes? Not a problem anymore. This foldable telescoping shoe dryer quickly blasts away moisture from sneakers, boots, gloves, or slippers. Just set the timer, hit one button, and let the warm air do the work. The extendable hose design reaches deep inside your shoes for even drying while eliminating odors. Compact and portable, it's your go-to solution for keeping footwear fresh and ready to wear anytime. Movie night just got futuristic. This smart laser TV cabinet hides an entire theater setup inside a sleek, modern design. With one click, the screen rises smoothly from the base, transforming your living room into a 4K cinematic experience. The ALR floor screen blocks glare for crystal clear viewing even in daylight. Elegant, smart, and seamless. Just press a button, sit back, and let the show begin. It's not magic, it's science and style combined. This levitating moon lamp floats gracefully in midair, glowing with a soft lunar light that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie. Magnetic technology keeps it suspended in perfect balance while rotating gently. The base doubles as a wireless charger for your phone or earbuds, keeping your desk tidy and futuristic. It's the perfect mix of art, light, and innovation. Nothing beats wrapping yourself in a freshly warm towel after a shower. This large towel warmer turns your bathroom into a cozy spa with the push of a button. It heats towels, robes, or blankets evenly in minutes, keeping them toasty and ready when you are. The automatic shutoff and triple temperature control keep it completely safe to use. Once you try it, you'll never want a cold towel again. It's a vanity, nightstand, and storage desk all in one clever setup. Flip the mirror open, and you've got a bright makeup station with 3 adjustable light tones. Close it, and it transforms into a sleek bedside table. Hidden compartments and drawers keep all your beauty essentials neatly tucked away. With its soft cushioned stool, you can get ready in comfort every single day. Muddy paw prints? Coffee spills? No problem. This portable carpet cleaner is your go-to for tackling messes before they become permanent. It sprays, scrubs, and suctions away dirt from carpets, furniture, or even car seats all in one motion. The self-cleaning hose keeps it fresh and ready for next use. Compact enough to tuck in a closet, but powerful enough to handle big messes fast. Tired of tripping over scattered shoes? These foldable storage boxes keep everything neat, dust-free, and easy to find. Each box has a clear front window, so you can spot your favorite pair without opening them all. They stack securely to save tons of space and collapse flat when not needed. Perfect for shoes, accessories, or small bags, your closet's about to get a serious upgrade. Ever wish your old switches could go smart? This tiny robot makes it happen. Just stick it beside any button or switch, and it'll press it for you. Lights, coffee makers, garage doors, you name it. You can control it from your phone or even with your voice when paired with a hub. Installation takes seconds, no wiring or tools needed. It's the smartest finger you'll ever own. Ironing just got a serious upgrade. This digital steam press smooths out wrinkles in seconds with a massive non-stick surface and powerful steam bursts. It heats up fast and adjusts to different fabrics, whether it's silk, cotton, or linen. The automatic shutoff keeps things safe if you forget to turn it off. It's like having a professional laundry station right on your table. Hosting a dinner party, or just hate when food gets cold too fast? This electric warming tray keeps every dish perfectly warm from edge to edge. It heats up in seconds and rolls up when you're done, so storage is effortless. Compatible with all kinds of cookware, from glass to stainless steel, it's ideal for parties or family meals. Warm food, zero hassle, every single time. Cooking just got way more fun and a lot easier to watch. This 2-in-1 glass air fryer and grill combo lets you see your food crisp, sizzle, and roast in real time. With 12 smart presets, it handles everything from fries to grilled chicken with a single tap. The clear container and lid make cleanup simple, while dual capacities let you cook for one or for the whole crew. Turn your daily shower into a luxury experience. This sleek black and gold shower head adds instant elegance while delivering a powerful spa-like flow. You can switch between 4 spray settings, from a gentle rain to a full-body blast with simple dual controls. The stainless steel build keeps it durable and rust-free, while the extended arm gives you perfect coverage. It looks like something straight out of a science fiction movie. This anti-gravity humidifier makes water droplets float in mid-air, creating a stunning illusion that's both calming and hypnotic. While you watch the droplets defy gravity, it quietly releases a cool mist to keep the air fresh and comfortable. The 7-color nightlight adds a soft, ambient glow. It's functional, futuristic, and totally mesmerizing. Open your curtains without lifting a finger. This smart curtain opener connects to your phone via Bluetooth, letting you schedule openings, close them remotely, or set a timer for sunrise wake-ups. Its powerful motor glides smoothly across the rail, even with heavy drapes. Pair it with a smart hub to control it using your voice. It's the easiest way to add instant luxury to your mornings. This isn't just a nightstand, it's a mini command center for your bedroom. It wirelessly charges your phone while built-in LED lighting sets the perfect mood. The rotating workstation gives you extra space for a laptop, coffee, or bedtime reading. With a sleek, modern design and hidden storage, it keeps everything organized and within reach. Smart, stylish, and seriously functional, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Who needs an open flame when you can melt candles with pure style? This elegant candle warmer lamp gently melts wax from the top down, releasing fragrance evenly without smoke or soot. You can adjust the brightness and timer to set the perfect mood, day or night. The warm amber glow doubles as a cozy nightlight, making any room feel calm, safe, and beautifully lit. Imagine stepping into your own private workspace quiet, modern, and fully equipped. This soundproof office pod blocks out distractions so you can focus, brainstorm, or relax in peace. It's spacious enough for team meetings, video calls, or even piano practice. With built-in LED lighting, ventilation, and furniture included, it feels like a mini office suite that fits anywhere. A true game changer for productivity and privacy. Taking out the trash just got smarter. This automatic trash conceals and replaces its own bags, no mess. No odor, no hassle. With motion sensor lid control, you can toss waste hands-free, keeping things perfectly hygienic. It even gives voice prompts and recharges for months of use. Whether in your kitchen or office, it's a sleek, high-tech upgrade that handles the dirty work for you. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.